Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the coolest and most innovative gadgets that are worth seeing. In this rapidly advancing age of technology, gadgets are becoming more sophisticated, efficient, and functional than ever before, offering endless possibilities for their users. These gadgets are designed to make our lives easier, more enjoyable, and more productive, and they're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From rollable TVs to foldable smartphones, we're going to showcase some of the most amazing gadgets out there. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, a creative professional, or someone who just loves gadgets, there's something for everyone in this list. These gadgets are the pinnacle of innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek design and exceptional functionality. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive in and explore some of the coolest gadgets that are worth seeing. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. First up, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. This foldable smartphone has been making waves in the tech world since its release, and for good reason. With a 7.6-inch foldable screen and 5G connectivity, this phone is the ultimate multitasking machine. You can use it as a regular smartphone, or you can unfold it to use it as a tablet. It's perfect for watching movies, playing games, or even getting some work done on the go. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is definitely a gadget worth seeing. DJI Mini 2. Next on our list is the DJI Mini 2. If you're into photography or videography, this is the gadget for you. The DJI Mini 2 is a small and lightweight drone that's perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. It has a 4K camera and a range of up to 10 kilometers, so you can capture footage from almost anywhere. Plus, it's so small and portable that you can easily take it with you on your adventures. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just looking to up your Instagram game, the DJI Mini 2 is a gadget you won't want to miss. Oculus Quest 2. If you're a gamer, you've probably heard of the Oculus Quest 2. This virtual reality headset is one of the most popular gadgets of 2023, and for good reason. With stunning graphics, intuitive controls, and a massive library of games and apps, the Oculus Quest 2 is the ultimate gaming machine. You can use it to play games, watch movies, or even just explore new virtual environments. The best part? It's completely wireless, so you don't have to worry about any cords or cables getting in the way. Sony WH-1000XM4. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that offer excellent sound quality and noise cancellation, look no further than the Sony WH-1000XM4. These headphones are the perfect gadget for anyone who wants to listen to music or podcasts without any distractions. They offer industry-leading noise cancellation and a comfortable over-ear design. Plus, they're wireless, so you can easily take them with you on the go. Whether you're on a long flight or just trying to drown out the noise in your home office, the Sony WH-1000XM4 is a gadget that's definitely worth checking out. Philips Hue Smart Lights. Next up, we've got the Philips Hue Smart Lights. These smart lights are perfect for anyone who wants to add a little ambiance to their home. With the Philips Hue app, you can control the color and brightness of your lights, set schedules, and even sync your lights to your music or movies. You can also control your lights with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. Whether you're hosting a party or just trying to set the mood for a romantic evening, the Philips Hue Smart Lights are a gadget you won't want to miss. Apple Watch Series 8. The Apple Watch Series 8 is the latest and greatest smartwatch from Apple. It comes with a variety of new features, including a larger screen, faster processing, and improved health tracking. You can use it to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even make phone calls and send text messages. Plus, with a range of stylish bands to choose from, you can customize your Apple Watch to match your style. Anker PowerCore 3 Elite. If you're someone who's always on the go, the Anker PowerCore 3 Elite is a gadget you won't want to miss. This portable charger can charge your phone, tablet, or other devices quickly and efficiently. It comes with a USB-C port and 2 USB-A ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. Plus, with a capacity of 25,600 milliamp hours, you can charge your devices multiple times before needing to recharge the PowerCore 3 Elite itself. LG C1 OLED TV. The LG C1 OLED TV is one of the best TVs on the market in 2023. It comes with a stunning OLED screen that offers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast. It also comes with a variety of smart features, including voice control and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. Plus, with a variety of sizes to choose from, you can find the perfect TV for your home. Logitech MX Master 3. The Logitech MX Master 3 is a high-quality mouse that's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time on their computer. It comes with a comfortable, ergonomic design and a variety of customizable buttons. You can use it to switch between multiple devices, adjust the speed and sensitivity of the cursor, and even use gesture controls to navigate your computer. Amazon Echo Show 15. The Amazon Echo Show 15 is a unique smart device that combines a smart speaker with a large 15-inch screen. You can use it to watch videos, make video calls, and even control your smart home devices. Plus, with a built-in camera and microphone, you can use it for hands-free video calls and Alexa commands. DJI Air 2S Drone. The DJI Air 2S is an impressive drone that offers stunning aerial footage and a range of intelligent features. It comes with a 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures 20 megapixel photos and 5.4K video at 30 FPS. It also features obstacle avoidance technology, which helps to prevent collisions with obstacles during flight. Plus, with a range of up to 12.4 miles and a flight time of up to 31 minutes, you can explore the skies for longer. Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat is a smart home device that helps you save energy and reduce your energy bills. It learns your heating and cooling preferences and adjusts the temperature accordingly. It also offers remote control via your smartphone or tablet, so you can adjust the temperature from anywhere. Plus, with a stylish design and compatibility with other Nest products, it's a great addition to any smart home. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is a powerful and versatile tablet that's perfect for work and play. It comes with a 12.4-inch AMO LED display that offers stunning visuals and a high refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. It also comes with a powerful processor, 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of storage, making it perfect for demanding applications and multitasking. Ember Mug Squared. The Ember Mug Squared is a high-tech mug that helps keep your hot beverages at the perfect temperature for longer. It comes with a built-in heating element that keeps your coffee or tea at your desired temperature for up to 1.5 hours on a single charge. Plus, with a stylish design and compatibility with the Ember app, you can customize your drinking experience and keep track of your caffeine intake. LG Rollable Phone. This next gadget we have on our list is the LG Rollable Phone. This phone features a flexible OLED display that can expand from a compact smartphone to a larger tablet size. This means you can have a smartphone and a tablet in one device. The LG Rollable Phone also features a high-resolution camera and powerful hardware. Although the phone is not yet available in the market, it's expected to be a game changer in the smartphone industry. AirPods Max. The AirPods Max is the latest addition to the Apple AirPods family. These over-ear headphones feature high-fidelity audio, active noise cancellation, and a unique design. The AirPods Max is also comfortable to wear, thanks to the memory foam ear cushions and the stainless steel headband. The AirPods Max is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy their music without any distractions. And that's a wrap on our list of the coolest gadgets that are worth seeing. From the LG Rollable Phone to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, we've seen some of the most innovative and groundbreaking gadgets out there. These gadgets are proof that technology is advancing at an incredible pace, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Which gadget did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news and gadget releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll be bringing you more exciting videos like this one in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.